Thank you, Chairman Johnson. I really appreciate you heading this up day after day. It is greatly appreciated, and thank you, Madam Speaker. I just wonder, have the Democrats been to the gas pumps lately? I used to love to go to the gas pumps and talk to folks to see about what's going on, and now, honestly, I'm afraid to even make eye contact with somebody because they are going to light you up, Madam Speaker. They're going to tell you, and I know we see a lot of these little cute stickers that it's not my thing. I don't want to cause any vandalism of our president pointing at the pump saying I did this, but the truth is he did do this. If they would listen to what's going on, they would know that America is ticked, and they should be. National gas average today is $4.30 a gallon. Average a year ago, $2.87. In 2020, oil was around $17 a barrel. And today, I believe it's dropped to $95. And I heard someone from the White House earlier bragging about how the oil has dropped. I mean, that is the Washington way. Not talk about how it was a couple of years ago at 17. Talk about how it's dropped from over $110 down to 95. Madam Speaker, we need to turn the spigots back on. We need to get back in the oil business. The oil and gas companies we've been told that they've got the permits, and then they boast about that they're not drilling because of it.
Good evening, friends. Another round of stimulus checks will be arriving for millions of Americans, and all eligible households can receive a one-time direct payment totaling thousands of dollars. Unused crisis funds from Biden's American Rescue Plan Act are now being put towards these new relief programs. My friends, you may qualify for these payments, so do make sure that you watch until the end of this video. Also, on Friday, I will be announcing more winners for the $75 Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter the weekly giveaway, friends, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos, and then do comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then comment on, the greater your chances, friends, of winning the giveaways. Programs to assist with inflation have benefited Americans around the country. Several states and localities continue to send stimulus payments. To continue crisis recovery, Democrats passed the American Rescue Plan. It was a comprehensive relief plan in 2021. These, together with other legislation implemented by the previous administration, enabled the U.S. economy to recover from a recession at its fastest rate ever. Following the third wave of federal stimulus payments, which were worth $1,400 for each qualified American, the federal government tightened its budget's constraints, and other family supporting programs were permitted to expire. And as a result, states and localities stepped up to provide their relief to citizens by utilizing crisis relief money and record high tax revenues. In New Mexico, single tax filers can easily expect to receive a sum of $500, while heads of households, married couples, and surviving spouses are due a sum of $1,000. Households can use these funds towards anything, from building an emergency fund to even making a rent payment. Georgia has also approved an income tax refund that is worth up to $500. To qualify for this year's rebate, you must have filed both 2021 and 2022 taxes and also lived in the state. If you file on or before April 18th, you can expect your cash by July 1st. The rebates will begin to go out next month. Renters in New Jersey who filed their returns on time will receive a refund of $450, and homeowners will receive a refund between $1,000 and $1,500. The state responds to your inquiries and gives more details about the tax refund. Most payments will be sent before May 3rd, 2023, while applications that require more information may take longer to complete. Alaska, with its permanent fund dividend, is still sending out $3,284 checks from 2022. Those who filed applications and lived in the state of Alaska for all of 2021 are eligible for the money. In addition, eligible Americans have a little over 1 month left to claim up to $600 in assistance. Some might not know about the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, which is a federal program that provides states with funding. Like the name indicates, it aims to help Americans with lower earnings offset high energy costs, but eligibility and the payment amount can vary by state. So, for example, in Louisville, Kentucky, applications are being accepted right now on a first-come, first-served basis through June 2nd or until the money runs out. The number of Americans applying for unemployment benefits rose last week, but remains low by historic standards. The Labor Department reported that U.S. jobless claims rose by 5,000 to 245,000. The 4-week moving average of claims, which evens out week to week, ups and downs, fell to about 240,000. At the start of the year, weekly claims were running around 200,000, and they have gradually moved higher. Overall, 1.86 million Americans were collecting unemployment benefits the week that ended April 8th. That is up from 1.80 million the previous week and from 1.53 million 1 year earlier. The weekly claim numbers are a proxy for layoffs, and they show that American workers enjoy unusual job security despite rising interest rates, economic uncertainty, and fears of a looming recession. The United States job market is healthy overall. At 3.5% last month, the unemployment rate was a tick above January's half-century low of 3.4%. Employers added 236,000 jobs in March. That is down from 472,000 in January and 326,000 in February, but still strong by historic standards. The inflation fighters at the Federal Reserve worry that a tight job market puts upward pressure on wages and on the overall prices. They have raised their benchmark interest rate 9 times in just over a year. Inflation has edged lower since hitting 4 decades highs last year, but March's 5% year-over-year inflation rate remained well above the Fed's 2% target rate. So the Fed is hoping to achieve a so-called soft landing, lowering growth just enough to bring inflation under control without causing a recession. Well, my awesome and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you, dear friends, for being part of this community and for joining me here every single day. To say thank you and to show my appreciation, I will be announcing several winners this coming Friday for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter these weekly giveaway, friends, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, my friends, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. Thank you and have a wonderful and very blessed Sunday.